Moto G84 5G smartphone that is available in multiple colors, including the shades of Pantone, Viva Magenta, Midnight Blue, and Marshmallow Blue. You can get this phone in premium vegan leather finish and in a 3D premium PMMA acrylic glass finish. The 10-bit billion colors with POLD display offer you an immersive entertainment experience. The availability of 12 GB RAM delivers nimble performance, while 256 GB ROM offers vast storage space. With 14 5G bands, you can experience superfast network connectivity. Click stunning photographs with the 50 MP OIS camera with ultra-pixel technology, 16 MP front camera, and fill your life with memories. Loaded with impressive features like stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and Moto Spatial sounds, Moto Connect, ThinkShield security, family space, IP54 water resistant, etc., this phone is definitely a game changer. Capture every moment with 50 MP OIS camera system. Bid farewell to the era of blurry photos and shaky videos. Enjoy consistent clarity with the advanced 50 MP camera system that's equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, for capturing clear images and videos while in motion. Capture vividly detailed photos day and night, thanks to ultra-pixel technology. Elevate your photography game further with 3 additional cameras, perfect for crafting ultra-wide shots, professional-grade portraits, and intricate close-ups.